Yo, first order of the day. We've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is $8, going just under 6 miles.
Here we are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Got the next order right away. This is a Jack in the Box. $10, going 6 miles. I need a drink too. Thank you. Good thing I was paying attention to the straw on top of the bag. Next order up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is $7, going 3 miles. Meet at door. Oh boy. Oh wait, no. This is a meet at drive-thru.
Hi, thank
Hello.
you so much. Yep. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
All right, now we're on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is gonna be a Black Rock coffee going 6.5 miles. Thank you. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6. We've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Taco Bell and Kitchen Table Cafe. This is $18, going about 8 miles. I don't want to get too excited because I'm a little iffy on the Taco Bell. Anytime a Taco Bell is paired with high pay, I just automatically assume that it's going to be closed. Off to a bad start. I did see people inside though, so maybe there's still hope. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, those 2 orders took me 22 minutes, so $18 in 22 minutes. That's pretty good. Just got the next order. We've got a Starbucks going 3 miles. Thank you. Thank you. Please knock. Just leave it as close to the door as possible, as I'm handicapped. Okay, I can do that. Total for that order was $7. Okay, not bad. Ooh, I probably should not be taking this order, but I'm dumb, so let's do it. Got an IHOP going halfway across the river. This one's going like 7 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Just got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A going 6 miles. Thank you. Oh, nice. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $7. Oh, and I just got the tips in from the stack from earlier. The Taco Bell tipped $1. And the other one, the Kitchen Table Cafe, yeah, they tipped $15 and change. We've got another Chick-fil-A. This one is going 6.5 miles.
DoorDash for Caitlin B. DoorDash for Debbie I. If I could just see you confirm that. Excellent. Thanks for coming through. Hello.
That was almost a 20-minute wait, by the way. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $9. And we got the next order right away. This is Burgerville going 2.5 miles.
Hey, you picked it up?
Yeah.
Have a good one.
It says, please do not knock as I have sleeping doggos. No tip. Total ended up being $5 and change. Got this one right away. We've got a Krispy Kreme going 5 miles.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Total for that order was just under $10. That was a good one. I like that. Got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got 7-Eleven and Seize the Bagel. I think total it's going to be $14 going about 4 miles.
Have a good day.
You too. Alright, thank you so much. Careful with that bag, it's kind of heavy. Literally just drove by it maybe 10 seconds ago, but they gave me an order for Gravity Coffee. This one's $9 and change going 3 miles.
Here, is that one for you?
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Hello. Just dropping off for an Olivia.
For who?
Olivia?
Olivia?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
I'm kind of far away from home, so I might just be calling it here. Unless I get an order before I get home. In which case, you'll see that before I actually end the video. But if not, current time is 10:29. Current total is 116. And I'm waiting on the tips from that last stack that I did, which should bring it up to about 120, maybe a tiny bit more. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.